Okay, I turned my phone on the recording, and this is dropshipping lifestyle for me, and I will share with you one very important in this video, one very important setting that allowed me to live a dropshipping lifestyle and struggle in the jungle. I rather struggle in the jungle than in a big city nowadays. I will share with you this one very important setting that allows me to earn money. The same important setting will be the most biggest problem for new dropshippers. And what else? The same problem is, let me give you an example. For example, if you list items and you are not selling, you're selling few of them only, okay? Majority of your items are not sold for the same one reason, okay? And which is it's kind of like setting. I call it setting because we do this in every account for our students. You can do it yourself, okay? Before I go into dropshipping, I would love to share with you my new office. Okay, look, this is my office with the nice road. This is like a natural road. Like, I am sweating like a pig because I was down there on the beach. There is a beach down there is a beach. Can you see? You can't see. Okay, I'll go up there. I'll maybe show you. It's a beach, and then I'm heading up. I need to get over that hill over there. So that's my dropshipping lifestyle, okay? And I like to do this. I have been living like this since May 2021 when I moved from Canada over here, because come on boys, this is real life, okay? So okay, cool. Now I know you want to know the trick. What is the one setting? Let me give you this one setting. It is actually very simple. Nobody teaches about this, and you probably never heard about this unless you are in my training, okay? Or you are one of my students. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, I'll keep going slowly. Setting is about the keywords, okay? The problem why you struggle to sell your listed items, you think maybe that those items are nobody needs them. Well, if you sell Chinese crap, then probably most of them don't need people. But if you sell normal products and you encounter that most of your products are not sold, the number one thing or the number one problem for you is you don't use keywords properly. Let me explain you 7 ways how I use keywords. You need to put keywords in seven aspects, in a seven, like with seven times connected with your listing, okay? I am just now, you see, that's what I'm talking about. Down there, right? There is a beach. Down there is a beach. Down there is a beach. Now you can see down there is a beach, okay? That's where I'm coming from, and I'm heading over there. Good exercise. Okay, cool. Now, 7 things about what I mean keywords. Very quick. No long videos because it's got too tight anyway. Keywords. What I mean. I hope you know what the keyword is. Okay, the keyword is at least 3-word combination. That would be what that would be. That would be foldable beach chair. Okay, just for example, foldable beach chair. 3 words. Okay, this is your keyword. That key, and this is your main keyword. Let's say main keyword. Okay, because there are different keywords we use for different purposes, but your main keyword is foldable beach chair. Okay, so in 7 shootings you must use that keyword if you want to sell your listing. First of all, to your pictures. Okay. Secondly, into your title. Third, into your description once at the beginning. 4, into your description in the middle. 5, into your description at the end. 6, into item specifics. 7, bullet points. That's it, baby. Okay, simple, right? If you will implement this for your listings, okay, 7 shootings, 7 attachments, you will gonna have absolutely totally opposite results. I'm not saying you that every single listing will be sold, because there are all sorts of different aspects you have to consider also, but you will gonna have totally different effect. Instead of selling few items, you will suddenly start selling most of your items, or experience the sales are crazy coming in. I don't want to go into details and explain you or prove you why it's so. Just trust me, guys. It's because that's how it works, because you create for, oh baby, the road goes up there. You create for eBay intensity, okay, with the keywords, and they assume that this is like a crazy one. It will not gonna happen in one day. Give them 72 hours at least. Sometimes it happens in one day, sometimes it does not happen in one day, because eBay's algorithm. Okay, simple. Try to find out if that works for you. It always works for our students, like charm. Take care, I have to go up. Bye bye.